Have you ever wondered how one game could transform an entire genre? Today, we dive deep into Valve's Portal and its groundbreaking impact on first-person puzzle games. Released in 2007, Portal combined physics-based puzzles with a unique portal mechanic. This innovative gameplay offered players new ways to solve spatial challenges and navigate environments. The game's minimalist storytelling through environmental design and AI companion GLaDOS was revolutionary. It used dark humor to engage players without relying on extensive dialogue or cutscenes. Portal's influence extended beyond its mechanics. It inspired a wave of puzzle games like Antichamber and the Talos Principle, known for their unique takes on spatial reasoning and philosophical themes. The game's success can be attributed to its innovative use of physics. The portal gun allowed players to manipulate the environment in ways never seen before, creating a new benchmark for puzzle games. Portal's impact is evident in its critical acclaim and longevity. It has not only influenced game design, but also educational applications, illustrating concepts like gravity and momentum through interactive gameplay. In summary, Portal's blend of innovative mechanics, minimalist storytelling, and dark humor revolutionized the puzzle genre. It continues to inspire new generations of game developers and players alike. What aspect of Portal's design do you find most innovative? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into game mechanics.